Well, girls, you won. Congratulations. Was your best performance?
No.
If you see me and you tryna see what's up.
I am very disappointed in you, Paige. You did the wrong choreography. On the bottom, Paige. You were good. I'm waiting for you to be great. Next, Kendall. You didn't stick out to me.
My little Kendall deserves a lot better than this.
And Brooke. As the oldest in the group, you need to start standing out. And next, Nia. You're third on the pyramid. You're third overall high score.
I'm really proud of my little girl.
Second, Kenzie.
You won the mini division.
And on the top of the pyramid, going 3 for 3, Matt.
You won your solo and you had the highest overall score in the competition.